Were you driving your RC car and your steering alignment now looks like this? I'm going to show you how to fix that in today's video. The first step is going to be turning on the ESC and turning on the transmitter so the steering centers. So now we can tell that one side has been damaged. We can tell that this side has been damaged because of the threads. You can see that you can't see any threads on that side, but on this side there's a lot of threads. This bottom one is the steering linkage. So we know that this side is the one that's damaged. You can sometimes fix it. It doesn't always mean that you have to replace it. This time I can just fix it. So to fix it, I'm going to be turning this linkage. I'm going to be turning it upward. It may take a while, depending on how far it's out of alignment. This is the exact same process on the other side. The other side is damaged. So I'll get back to you once I get it close. I've gotten this side very close now. We can see it has about the same amount of thread showing as the other side. So we can tell that the alignment is pretty good. For an off-road car like this, it doesn't have to be perfect, but I do recommend trying to get as close as possible for on-road vehicles. You can tell that the steering knob, if we turn it just a little bit, I think our alignment is perfect now. Thanks for watching the video. If you haven't already, go down there and hit the subscribe button. It helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching.